Hi dear friends, my name is Ricky and I'm a designer and a screen printer for the past 5 years. And in today's video, we're going to screen print this beautiful vintage distressed design of Dragon Ball on a black t-shirt. This we have created the halftone effects, and we're going to do this in a simulated process full color print on this black t-shirt. So stay tuned and let's see how we have done this step by step. So right now what we are trying to do is print out the design on a transparency film from a Canon printer. I'm using the A3 size for this, and for all the colors. So we're going to use 4 colors to achieve this print on a black t-shirt. So basically we are trying to coat the screen, and we're going to use this emulsion. It's not a water-based emulsion, but it will work fine. So we shake it well. We have already added the sanitizer. Not sanitizer, sensitizer. So I'm going to just pour. So as you can see, we are working in a very low light area. We want this to work in a very low light. You don't want too much of light, otherwise it might affect the emulsion, because this emulsion is light sensitive, so you want to work. So we have taken the scoop, and what we need to do is just coat the screen. So basically I'm coating the other 3 screens because we are going to do a full color job for this print, and we let it dry, and while it's still drying we're going to set up our registration in our next step. I'm going to take this and mark it at 5. That's already perfect enough. This is for the registration, right? So this is the one-time registration that we need to do. We'll take this up. This registration is required so that all the screens that we're going to print aligns at one spot. That's how we're going to mix the colors to get the prints. So I think that's alright. So we place our designs. Just needs to match the registration here, and put on a tape. Then we're gonna put the screen, and then we have to burn. So right now I'm putting the clear tape behind the film, so that later when I bring my screens, it can stick on the screen. So I have to put all the tapes on all 4 sides and also on the sideways as well, so that it doesn't come out when I am dressing up, which you'll see after some time what I mean by that. Okay, so right now I'm bringing in my dried screen with emulsion and pasting my designs onto the screens. As now you can see, that is why I have put the tapes upside down so that it can stick it to my screens, and this one I'll let it keep and do the rest as well. So I have exposed my designs in my exposure unit for 90 seconds, and now I am washing it with water first. We're not going to spray straight away. We're just going to sprinkle some water and let it sit down for a minute or so. And after the minute has passed, we'll just gently spray upon the designs, and we'll use a little bit of pressure. Remember, this is half tone, so we can't use too much of pressure, otherwise it will wash all away. Alright, so after we have fully washed all the things, we'll now let it dry in the sun directly, and we'll go to the next step. Okay, so this is the result that we are going to achieve from our 4-color print. By this time I have already taped all the screens and we are ready to print at the moment. So let's get started. We're going to print using our this screen printing machine. It's a line table screen printing machine. It is one of our products. So we're going to spray a little bit of adhesive so that the t-shirt sticks and doesn't move. In that way we can print multiple colors without affecting the design. So quickly load the t-shirt. Okay, so the first color that we're going to print is the blue color, or you can say a turquoise blue. So we'll flood the screen. We're going to push 2 times. And we're going to use the heat gun to partially cure it. For the turquoise blue, we are going to coat two coats of color. So we have already finished with the first coat, and now we're going to do the second coat of turquoise blue. This will give us a little bit of brightness in the blue that we want in our design. Okay, we'll do a stroke. We'll quickly see how it is right now. notice that throughout the design that we purposely did all the distressing of the design and not wanting it to be, you know, that really perfect in the areas that are printed. So we want to have this like a very vintage look, and that is why you can see so many distress in the design, right? So we'll go ahead and print our second color, which is the white. And for the white, we are only going to print a single color. I mean a single coat. Okay, this white is a little bit very thick, so I have to make sure, you know, it passes through all the way. I think, yeah, just give it one more pass and I think we are good to go. Yes. Alright, so you can see that the print is pretty good. The white, we just printed only one coat. The turquoise blue at the background will give that effect of the flames, and you can see it's quite opaque white, and later when we print the red and yellow, it will give a very nice bright color, but yet still will give that vintage touch to it. So for red, we'll also do only one coat. So this red is not exactly red, it's kind of like a magenta, but towards a little bit of pinkish black, red, pinkish red. Okay, so as you can see, after the red is printed, you can see all the details, the distress look that we want in the picture. You know, that's perfect with the flame, the blue flame, and all the halftone effects, and it's coming out pretty well. So let's see after the final color yellow how it turns out. So this is the last color, yellow, and we are also going to push only one time and one coat itself. We'll just clear. Only one coat for the yellow also. So there you go. So this is the design we have been printing, and it has got a very distressed look, very vintage. We purposely distressed all the design details in here with halftone effects, and this is the result we got here. So it's pretty awesome. I think it's gonna look quite nice on a black t-shirt. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Please do support us. We'll be uploading more videos and more techniques in screen printing. Hope you all enjoyed and learned something. Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful time.